Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see what is auto layout and how can we learn auto layout from the scratch. Auto layout is nothing but a CSS3 technology which is acquired by the multiple design softwares like Figma, XD and Framer. Once we learn auto layout from the scratch, using it within the multiple design softwares will be an easy task without cumbersome. If you want to learn auto layout from the scratch, first you need to understand box model. By understanding what is box model, you can easily understand how the auto layout works. Box model is nothing but a simple calculation of width and height of the element. For example, in this case, we can take a frame as an element, which we are drawing inside Figma and Framer. If you draw a frame inside Figma and Framer, the width and height of the frame, which includes the padding and border of the frame. Let's look into some of the practical examples of how box model works inside Figma. Let's go. Consider we are going to create a reverse engineering method of box model inside Figma by recreating what I have already created inside Figma. The total width is going to be around 1785 pixels for this specific frame, which has a padding of 233 pixel left and right and 83 pixel border each on left and right. As I said earlier, we are going to create a frame here with the width of 1785 pixel and with the height of 1203 pixel. So once we've done this, we are going to give the padding left and right of each 233 pixel. Padding is nothing but the space between the border and the content within a container. So let's give the padding left and padding right of each 233 pixel to our container. Once we're done with the padding, it's time to give stroke for our container. In this case, we are going to give border left and border right of each 83 pixel to our container. Let's go with F8 for the background color, and the stroke position should be always on inside once you design it for the box model. Let's calculate the actual width of the frame. So based on our exercise, the actual width should be come around the sum values of 1785 plus padding on both sides. It's around 233 left plus 233 right padding and border on both sides. 83 border right and 83 border left. The value should be around 2417. So this should be the actual width of our container. As you see here, the width of the frame is around 1785, which is unchanged because the padding and border value is not added to the width of the frame. Instead, what it is done is the padding and border value which is included within the width of the frame. So this is one of the main property of box model. So we get to know how box model works and what is the basis of box model. In the further videos, we are going to see how the auto layout works and what is the relationship between the parent and child inside auto layout, and what is hug and what is fill container inside the auto layout. Stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.